Hello, everyone. Welcome to Speak Bold English. My name is Bill, and I'm here to help you speak English with confidence. Improve your English naturally and make English a part of your daily life. If you've been watching our lessons, congratulations. You've already taken the first step. You've learned how to listen. You've learned how to think in English. You've practiced speaking. You've answered questions. And you've started building confidence. But today, I'm going to show you something even more powerful. A simple daily routine that can help you improve your English without studying for hours. You don't need 3 hours. You don't even need 1 hour. You only need 15 focused minutes. If you follow this routine every day, your English will improve, step by step, day by day. Stay with me until the end, because I'll also give you a simple 30-day challenge that can completely change the way you learn English. Let's begin. Let me ask you something. Have you ever studied English for a few days, then stopped? Maybe you felt motivated on Monday, but by Friday, you gave up. You're not alone. Most people don't fail because English is difficult. They fail because they don't have a simple routine. They don't know what to practice or how to practice. Today, that confusion ends. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly what to do every single day. No guessing, no stress, just a simple routine that anyone can follow. Whether you're a beginner or you're trying to become fluent, this routine is for you. Before we begin, if you want to speak English confidently and build real fluency, subscribe to Speak Bold English. Every lesson on this channel is designed to help you improve one step at a time. Now, let's build your daily English routine. Let's start with the first 5 minutes. Minute 1 to minute 5. Listening. Choose one English lesson or one short English story. Listen carefully. Don't pause every sentence. Don't translate every word. Just listen. And focus on the main idea. Ask yourself, what is this person talking about? Not, what does every word mean? This small habit will train your brain to understand English naturally. Now, the next 5 minutes, minute 6 to minute 10, speaking. Repeat what you hear. Pause the lesson. Say the sentences out loud. Don't whisper. Speak clearly. Even if you're alone, your mouth needs practice too. The more you speak, the more natural English becomes. Excellent. Now, let's complete your daily English routine. You've already finished the first 10 minutes, listening and speaking. Now, let's use the final 5 minutes, minute 11 to minute 15. Thinking in English. This habit will completely change the way you learn English. Look around you. Choose anything you can see. A chair, a phone, a window, a book. Now, describe it in simple English. For example, this is my phone. I use it every day. It's very useful. That's enough. Simple English, practiced every day, creates amazing results. Now, let's add mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself, smile, and speak English for 1 minute. Talk about your day. Talk about your plans. Talk about your family. Talk about anything. The topic doesn't matter. The habit does. At first, you may feel uncomfortable. That's normal. But after a few days, you'll notice something incredible. You'll start speaking without thinking too much. Here's another habit that successful English learners follow. Whenever you learn a new sentence, don't read it only once. Repeat it 3 times. Morning, afternoon, evening. Repetition builds confidence, and confidence builds fluency. Now, let's practice together. Repeat after me. Today, I will practice English. I don't need perfect English. I only need daily practice. Every day, I become a better speaker. Excellent. Say these sentences every morning. They'll remind you to stay consistent. Here's another simple exercise. Imagine you're talking to a friend. Answer these questions. What are you doing today? What will you do tomorrow? What made you smile today? Fantastic. You're thinking and speaking without memorizing. That's exactly what we want. One more important tip. Don't spend all your time learning new words. Instead, spend more time using the words you already know. Simple English, used every day, is far more powerful than difficult English you never use. Stay with me, because in the final part, I'll give you a simple 30-day English challenge. If you complete it, your English routine will never be the same again. And after that, we'll begin an exciting new journey together. Excellent! Today, you completed your daily English routine. But more importantly, you completed the foundation of your English journey. Take a moment and think about everything you've learned. You learned how to listen better, how to think in English, how to speak with confidence, how to answer questions, how to practice every day. And now, I want to tell you something important. Don't expect your English to become perfect overnight. Real improvement happens slowly. One lesson, one conversation, one day at a time. Imagine building a house. You don't build the roof first. You build a strong foundation. And that's exactly what you've been doing. Every lesson has made your English stronger. Every practice session has made you more confident. Every sentence has brought you one step closer to fluency. Now, let's make a promise together. Repeat after me. I will practice English every day. I will not fear mistakes. I will keep speaking. I will keep learning. I will never give up. Excellent! That promise can change your future. Here's your challenge. For the next 30 days, practice English for just 15 minutes every single day. 5 minutes listening, 5 minutes speaking, 5 minutes thinking in English. Don't skip a day. Even if you're busy, 15 minutes is enough to build a powerful habit. At the end of 30 days, come back, watch this lesson again, and notice how much easier English feels. You'll be surprised by your own progress. Now, I have some exciting news. Today, you've completed our foundation series. Congratulations! But this is only the beginning. Starting with our next lesson, we're entering a brand new series, Real Life English. You'll learn how real people speak English in everyday situations. You'll practice conversations at a coffee shop, at a restaurant, at the airport, at a hotel, at work, on the phone, and many more. Real-life situations. You'll not only learn English, you'll learn how to use it. Naturally, that's where real confidence begins. If you've been learning with me from the beginning, thank you. I'm truly proud of you. You've shown up, you've practiced, and you've invested in yourself. Remember, every confident English speaker started exactly where you are today. The only difference is that they never stopped practicing, and neither will you. If this foundation series helped you, please like this video, share it with someone who wants to speak English confidently, and subscribe to Speak Bold English, because the best lessons are still ahead. Thank you so much for being here. Take care. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep believing in yourself. And remember, your English gets better every single day. You choose not to give up. I'll see you in our next lesson, where we'll begin a brand new journey. See you soon.